Okay. Look, it's nearly 12 in the morning. Look, it's 12 in the morning right now, guys. You can see that. And look, there's the power cord. Look, the light switches don't work.
I thought you were the one turning the lights off.
No, I was. Look. So creepy. You can hear it, guys. It's raining outside right now. It's really 12 a.m. in the morning right now. And the thunderstorm cut off the power. Dude, I feel like I'm in a horror game. It feels like I'm in a horror game right now. What? It not even feels like I'm in a horror game.
No, it just feels like we're doing the...
Right, there you go.
This one don't turn
That
off.
one works.
Let's see if he's got one.
So I was about to
Whoa.
I was about to brush my teeth right here until the lights started flickering randomly.
Do you have a battery?
I thought you were the one flickering the lights.
No, I was at my. What do you want?
One of you come here. Ow, ow! Parker.
Parker has the flashlight. So freaking creepy. Now we can't charge our devices or anything. Look, you see right here. I have no internet connection. If you look right here, you see right here, it says lightning nearby. Well, I'm in Pensacola, Florida right now, so the lights are randomly turned off. We can't turn them back on. Hey, the water pump supplies. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go because this is really creepy right now, but I'll keep you updated when the storm is finished. Alright. Bye. Oh, there we go. The lights are back. Alright. Bye, guys.